Did you know that, according to Backlinko, there are over 130,445 extensions available on the Chrome Web Store? With so many options, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Well, fret no more, you've come to the right channel. Today's video is about some of the best Chrome extensions that can help you boost volume, clean up your browsing history, protect your eyes, send encrypted emails, manage your time online, and seamlessly transfer content between devices. Don't forget to check out the third extension that is my personal favorite. So buckle up and get ready to discover some awesome Chrome extensions that will revolutionize how you browse the web. Ever wish you could crank up the volume of your favorite videos and tunes to the max? Well, get ready to turn up the volume like never before with our top pick for Chrome extensions, Volume Master, which boosts the volume to a whopping 600%, all for free. Let me walk you through how it works. First, open your Google Chrome browser and visit the extension link I provided in the description below. Once there, you'll see the Volume Master extension, which is completely free. There is no need to pay anything. This handy extension allows you to increase the volume of any audio you're playing up to 600%. That's right, no extra devices, software, or system tweaks are required to amplify your volume output for videos and more. Let's put Volume Master to the test right now. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension to install it. Easy as that. Now, let's check out a sample video. As you can hear, the volume is at the default 100% level, which sounds a bit low. But watch what happens when we crank it up to 600% using Volume Master. Wow, what a difference! The volume is massively amplified compared to before. I can confirm Volume Master definitely does its job in boosting audio output without any fancy hardware or software. If you frequently need to increase volume, especially in situations where installing other apps isn't possible, Volume Master is a must-have. It's simple, free, and does the job perfectly. Now, let's move on to the next essential extension in our lineup, Click&Clean. This powerful extension is about to revolutionize the way you browse the web. It's like having your own personal browser cleaner and privacy protector right at your fingertips. With a 4.8-star rating and tons of positive reviews, you know Click&Clean is a quality extension. I'll drop the link in the description so you can easily add it to Chrome. Once installed, you'll see the Click&Clean icon in your extensions toolbar. You can pin it for quick access to. As you browse, it'll track your visited pages and other data. The main section has two key areas. First, the Securely Close Browser option lets you fully clear your cache, history, and more when exiting Chrome. Just check off what you want wiped in the settings. The other section is Clear Private Data, which instantly deletes selected data such as cache, history, cookies, etc. with one click. This is super convenient for privately wiping your trail. But Click&Clean does way more than that. You can scan for malware, test your privacy and IP leaks, manage downloads, check memory usage, generate secure passwords, and even access experimental Chrome features. There are also options to update Click&Clean, view your installed extensions, clear the DNS cache, and report Chrome bugs directly to the developers. Overall, this free extension packs in a ton of useful privacy and cleanup functions in one place. No more digging through Chrome settings. If you want easy one-click clearing of your browsing data and other great features, definitely check out Click&Clean. Are you curious about how to give your tired eyes a break from screen glare? This next extension on the list might just be the solution. It's called ScreenShader. If your eyes are feeling the burn from staring at screens all day, then you'll definitely want to try this Chrome extension out. Trust me, it's been a lifesaver for me. Let me give you a quick demo. This is what a typical blue light screen looks like on our devices. But watch what happens when I enable ScreenShader. Wow, what a difference! That warm amber tint is so much easier on the eyes. Let's flip it on and off again. Blue light, amber tint. I don't know about you, but that amber hue feels incredibly soothing compared to the harsh blue glare. Now the best part about ScreenShader is you can fully customize the color and intensity. If you don't like this deep orange, you can adjust it. There's actually a whole range of tint colors to choose from. So if blue light strain is an issue but you don't want to wear those goofy computer glasses, try ScreenShader. It's so simple to set up too. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for ScreenShader. You'll see the listing for the Smart Screen Tinting extension. Click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. It's easy. Once installed, you can access ScreenShader from the Puzzle Piece Extensions icon. Just click on it and adjust the tint color and shade using the slider until you find your ideal setting. You can even pin the ScreenShader icon to your toolbar for one-click access to toggle the effect on or off as needed. That way, you can constantly tweak the warmth level throughout your workday. Next, regarding security, there's an awesome Gmail extension called FlowCrypt. FlowCrypt allows you to easily send and receive encrypted emails. So if you ever need to share confidential info or sensitive attachments over email, this is the tool for you. Setting up FlowCrypt is super easy. Install the FlowCrypt extension for Chrome and create a secure passphrase when it prompts you. Once that's done, a new Secure Compose button will appear in Gmail. To send an encrypted email, click that button and draft your message normally. If the recipient doesn't use FlowCrypt, no problem. Just scroll down and set a one-time password for that specific email. I'll use the super secure password for this example. FlowCrypt will remind you to send that password through another channel, not in the email itself. Then just click Encrypt, Sign, and Send, and you're all set. The recipient will receive a message saying it's encrypted and prompting for the password you provided. On their end, after entering the password, they can read the decrypted message and even securely reply with one click. FlowCrypt is completely free for personal use with up to 100 accounts. So if you need to secure your emails with strong encryption, do yourself a favor and install this nifty extension. The next Chrome extension on the list is Limit, a fantastic tool for tracking time spent on different websites. Let me demonstrate how to add and utilize this extension effectively. To get started, go to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, since we know the name, just search for Limit and it should pop right up. I already have it installed, but for you it will show an Add button. Click that to add Limit to Chrome. After it's added, you'll see the Limit icon show up in your extensions toolbar, that little puzzle piece up top. Click on the Limit icon and a menu will open. The first thing I'd recommend is clicking Open Settings. This will take you to the main page where you can customize which sites to track time on and set your desired limit for each one. For example, I have the New York Times website set to a 60-minute limit since it's more educational. However, I've capped myself at just 25 minutes per day for time wasters like Instagram and Facebook. To adjust a site's time limit, click the down arrow and select the desired duration from the menu. Adding a new site is easy too. Just type it in the field and it will appear below for you to set a limit. If you ever want to remove a tracked site, no problem. Just click the minus sign next to it, and it's gone. One of Limit's best features is the optional on-screen timer that counts up your time on each restricted site as you use it. Let me turn that on really quick. There we go. When I open up a site like YouTube that I have limits for, the timer appears in the corner, showing my accumulated time so far today. As you can see, I've spent 30 seconds on YouTube already. The timer keeps running until I close that site. This is such a helpful productivity tool for prioritizing important tasks over infinite scrolling and skimming random sites. If you need to cut back on wasted time, Limit is a must-try Chrome extension. Last but certainly not least, we have the final piece of our Chrome extension puzzle that has the potential to become an essential part of your browsing experience. Pushbullet. This extension makes it super easy to move stuff between your browser and other devices. Let me give you an example of how I use it. Say you're browsing the web and come across a hilarious meme or picture you want to share with friends. Normally, you'd have to navigate to that same webpage on your phone, find the image again, and then send it off. Such a hassle. But with Pushbullet, it's just a couple of clicks. Simply right-click on the image, go to the Pushbullet context menu, and pick which device you want to send it to. As long as you have the Pushbullet app installed on that device, the image will just appear there instantly. And it's not just for images either. You can push all kinds of stuff between devices using Pushbullet. See a URL you want to open on your phone? Just right-click and send the link over. Or maybe you highlighted some text you need to copy. Push that to your other computer with a couple of clicks. I use this all the time to quickly zip pictures, notes, URLs, and more between my laptop and phone. No more digging through websites and apps to find that one thing. Just fire it off to the other device using Pushbullet's easy sharing. The core features of Pushbullet are also totally free. To make magic happen, you just need the extension on one device and the app on your other devices. If you often find yourself wanting to access stuff from one screen to another, I can't recommend Pushbullet enough. It's such a time saver. So that was it for today. Thank you for tuning in to explore these incredible Chrome extensions with me. Don't forget to comment on your favorite Chrome extension below, share this video with your friends, and hit subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital life. Happy browsing!